Yo. Oh, Ducky! Watch out, little bud. Watch out. Watch out, bud. Watch out. I don't know if we see any crows. That'd be cool. Oh, there's one. That's a little sparrow. And not a crow. Ready? Oh. Okay. Alright, let's adjust that. There. Hopefully that's out of frame. Crow. Hey, buddy. Oh, you look very pretty. Got polarized lenses now, so everything looks super pretty now. Yeah, I don't know what happened here. I think the rain is just caked up mud. Woo! Come on, power through. Oh, top gear. Was that eagle? Maybe. Back here. Entirely. Please watch your line. I don't like taking kind of voluntary manslaughter. Or vehicular. Okay, we're dipping. Yes. Pretty day of ride. Look at him. Wish I had a helmet cam, man. Oh, watch out. There's one out there. What's your phone, Deborah? Check. Yep. Involuntary manslaughter, possibly? Nope, he's drawing that down. That little blade of grass. Fix I knew that was to pop my thing in gear. Oh my god, cool. Hi, baby. I'm a little lower friend. Ooh, punch booger back. I was getting eyed down by the driver. Oh, I got stopped right. I gotta do me a stop. Burp, 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 burp. I don't know why I have to stop when they can't turn on red. You know, that doesn't really make sense. It just sounds like you're going to way more vehicular manslaughter. Drive your phone, Deborah. I'm driving. Hyundai. Take your time. Well, make sure you check in with the country club. Yep, there we are. Please don't turn, please don't turn. You're fucking turning. See, that's what I hate about this part. Is that? That didn't signal or nothing. Yeah, thanks for the signal. Make sure you go get your complimentary breakfast at the country club. They have that. Oh, I'm not rich. I built my stuff. Definitely didn't slide there a little bit. I want to take that hill. We're running on run time. Alright, 4 minutes. It's not bad. It's a quarter mile, a mile and a quarter in 4 minutes. That's not bad. Ooh, good. It's funny, when I started off, I popped a gear here and I about ate dirt. Just passed this poor kid or dad, and I think I didn't scare the life out of him. Stop thinking. I thought I was going to go, oh my god, it's an idiot on the 6. Throw your whole car's rattling, chill. just kind of rattle wherever bit of duct tape holding that thing together is gonna fall off, and you're gonna disassemble like a dang Lego set. Like, Kursh. Ooh, that guy knows what he's doing. This is the best part of the ride. Dumbasses like that Hyundai holding up people. Bonjour, couple. Oh, such a toxic ride. Oh, that's a normal car. That's not fun. Birds. Hi, birds. Rich people houses. Watch as they laugh at me for being poor. They probably think I'm rich from out here. Oh my god, it's a guy with more stickers than I have will to live. Holy cow. Boxcar. Soccer mom. Yeah, 100% soccer mom. Birds. See? Birds. Hi, bird. Don't look at me like that. I'll turn you into fried chicken again. We ate you into depression, we'll eat you again. Crows. Hello, my little black friends. Shit, that's probably racist. Keep looking at Deborah. Oh, fuck. Pretty. Fucking Deborah. Like every time I see something, I'm like, oh, Deborah. Hey, Deborah isn't watching this. I'm sorry. That was quite close. Crow. Bird. Definitely not a coughing. Florida fan. Feel sorry for you, bud. Frankly, I'm not a big fan of Florida as the state in general right now. How's he walking like that? Hello. Hello, little shop friend. Ooh, that's trying not to crash today. Mountain bike, go bird! Oh, got all the shaky footage. Yes. Shaky cam. Whee. Anyways. The fuck? Did I just get yelled at by some random ass kids? I think I did. Squirrel. You gonna get the nuts? Leave my nuts alone, I need them. Oh, sure, that one? Alright, let's do this. I think I got RBF. Big time. Water fountain. Oh. Ew, snowbird. Where's that transplant? I can't tell from here. Karen. Might ask me where my papers are waiting for me. Man, she's like asking me where my papers are. I'm about to drop a gear and disappear. I don't know if I can do that on this, but we're gonna find out. World's worst game of capture the flag. Tree. Birds. Otter birds. I gotta do something. Where's your couple? You want to talk? You want to throw hands? What you want to do? Okay, 9 minutes under time. Oh, I keep checking and announcing that. Who needs a script? And I got ADHD. Pretty much a pre-written script in my head that I don't even know. I think I wrote this script like an hour ago. Monetization. I don't get that. Too little. Also, I don't think they'd like me. I don't blame them, but still. Uh-oh, Florida State fan. Ooh, just kidding, I don't watch sports. Ooh, she sure does, guys. If only I could hit them up. Too old for me. Wee. No dumping. Darn. I was gonna take a dump. On your left. Thank you. Yeah, I got the menacing appearance and then the most dainty, feminine belle. Oh my god, it's like me in real life. Speed racer! I don't know what that guy, passenger princess over there, knew what he was doing. Fuck you! Oh man, that was funny. That was funny as hell. Oh my god, duck! No, not actually duck. I need to invest in a helmet camera! Instead of a dash cam like I've got now, which is just my phone on a mount. I mean, I know I get 4K 60 FPS, but like still. It only goes where I'm driving. So like if I want to take a panning shot, I have to swerve or be stopped. Ooh, Osprey. It's pretty. Beamer. See how long that Maserati takes to fall apart. Or the owner goes broke, whichever happens first. Fire hydrant. Bang, can't actually hit that. I'll take my kneecaps out. Kia. No. Dodge the snakes. Dodge the snakes in the road. Oh. That's something in the campus. Killdeer. Oh, a Marine with a Mazda. Mazda Marine. Mazdarine? I think that's a color. Or a name. Probably something like Indian kid's name or something, I don't know. Oh, and I'm gonna get canceled on Twitter. Good thing I don't have Twitter. I don't know what that is. Hello, Northern Titan was coming down at 90 miles an hour to launch themselves like Dukes of Hazzard into the lake. You see, you think I'm joking, that actually happened. Afternoon. I should have put up quick. Was it afternoon? I didn't think so. She just. Ooh. Okay. Damn. I thought I was a fun zombie. Shit, I'm a content creator. Good one, but. Oh, rabbit! Do not run into the traffic. You cannot win that race. You lost one to a turtle already. Boy, Reggie, you got a herd of scooters. I think clear the way. Hey. Oh, pass wide. You're good. Thank you. No, you're fine. Whee! Man, I'm sad I haven't seen a single gator out here. Or snake. It's not a turtle though. Oh, cool. I did get to see a turtle, which was nice. Go, speak. I thought it was a linguini. Oh my god, he's got a mustache on his butt. There's one for the poor bitch. It's just me, or is it like a wannabe Optimus Prime? I'll know what I'm talking about too, papers. Although that was more of a reddish. Sorry, Cornbird, didn't mean to scare you. You convertible Beamer. What traffic laws will they violate today? Oh, hatchling. Or a little bit. Oh, wow. Means Mama's not too far out.
Yeah, probably.
Yes.
You want a picture of it?
Pretty. Well, you know, he might be on his own. He's a little big to still be with Mama. Unless he just grew fast. I see Mama in the water, so. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, and he's got the saddlebags are cool. Oh, look, it's a lock crawler. Oh. Damn, it's still zoomed in. Yep, amazing camera work, right here. Amazing. Probably got 20 seconds of footage just looking at the ground. Yeah, great footage there, Radium. I can't even put that one up because I don't have stuff to do. Great. Ooh, pretty little spider. Hey, Jack, chill. Ooh, red, that's so exotic. Can you drip on day? Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. That Mama? Nah, that's just a freaking road. That was a very smooth transition. Definitely, yep. Didn't almost slip there. I need friends. I like how I say, oh, I haven't seen a single gator at me, and then I immediately friggin' see one. Like that story of my life. Insert thing has never happened in my life. Insert thing happens. Well, bam. And don't act like, oh, just say, I've never earned $1 million. Because then it actually won't happen. I swear to God, it's Murphy's Law. With exceptions. It's like politics. Only exceptions are when the other party benefits. No. Hey, girl. Dodging snakes like it's my will to live. Just kidding, I couldn't catch it even if I tried. It's a sucker now. Oh, no. People. I don't know how many people I've probably offended because they heard me talking about them as I passed by. Hey, shit, fuck them. What are they gonna do? Chase me down? Bet. Actually, I wonder if people think I'm crazy right now as I'm talking to myself. Continue to the camera. Look at that side eye. There's a million goddamn bikes in here. There's a whole skinwalker there. Oh, look, it's a wannabe racer. Go speed racer. You can only reach 60, but let's see you do it. Maybe you'll hit 80 before your friggin' everything detonates. We'll need new headers by 90. And the entire engine block by 95. Oh, money left. Oh, you got your phone. You can't hear me. Oh, snakes. dodging them like responsibility. Just kidding, can't dodge those. Dodge them like taxes. The legal reasons that's just because I don't pay taxes because I'm too young. I don't have a job. Now we're gonna probably head out. Ooh, who's this? He's either listening to life saga or stroll right up Katy Perry. Hi, birds. Cool if I see some otters. But they're not out this time of year. What's that candy corn bird? Oh, yeah, fledglings. Ooh, watch the dirt, watch the dirt. Ah, my butt, that hurts. No. I'm talking to a camera, you're talking. I'm not talking to myself, you're talking to yourself. Chill. Just kidding, because I'm talking to my phone. Just let me talk back, and now it looked weird. I got you too, Carol. Okay, that's cool. And too many windows in that house. I guarantee it's impossible to keep that place cool. Hi, bird. Also, if you see me on the road or something, like, feel free to say hi. You'll know it's me. Look for these. And the customized helmet. That has a red. Hold on, right up. Oh, watch out. On your left. Good job. Very smooth, baby. Very smooth. Tell the kid to do a good job and you almost run yourself off the road. Okay. Any cool cars in the parking lot? Nope. Why are they all white? What kind of paradox is that? What's with rich people and liking white cars? And apparently red. Like, I swear to God, it's like the freaking... It's like a Baptist church up in here. None of the white people. Oh, white cars. That's not what happened. Oh, there was our turn. I say, oh, it's just me. That camera. I need to invest in that cam so bad. Okay. I have the green. I wish I had a crossing thing here. But no. So we'll do a little trolling here. We'll just not follow the law. I always go down the bike lane. Jumping the wrong way. Oh, where's my stop? He's going straight as he turns. He's going turning. Crap. What do I do here? Do I commit a felony? Oh, that's not a felony. Commit a misdemeanor. Oh, they were going straight. I could have gone. Oh well, we'll do it legit. Let's not commit a misdemeanor by jaywalking, or jay-biking, whatever the law is. Kids, this is why you plan a route before you go somewhere, because I did an oopsie. Hallo. Wisst ihr ehrlich? Wisst ihr ehrlich? I thought that said Mr. Beast. I'm not even joking. Oh, I was determined. Michelle, what happened to your logo? It gets stolen like a catalytic converter? They steal your converter and your logo? Oh. Somebody get the stupid truck. Oh, there was my stop. Or go, or whatever you want to call it. Do it. I don't think there's a crosswalk sign here. Yeah, I don't. How am I to cross this way? Why? Why? Why are traffic laws a pain in my butt? Oh, shit, there it is. I'm being a stereotypical biker. Saying, screw traffic, I do as I wish. Ooh, crap. And yeah, all that. I didn't almost fall off the flower bed. That didn't happen. Nope. Ooh, capitalize a plaid. No. Nope, not a plaid. I'm not stalling for Spaceballs. See, now, when I record these, I just let all of the impulsive ADHD thoughts come in. I'll just voice them. Who's gonna tell me not to? Myself? Yeah, look at me like I'm weird, Karen. I'll look right back at you. Now, turn. Go, speed racer. Ah, there we are. Nobody hit me, please. I don't have health insurance. Just kidding, I do, but not like it's worth anything. It's American economy. Not in this economy. I'm worth about as much as a corn on the cob. Or maybe a corn dog if I'm lucky. Not even one of those good ones. Yeah, I'm talking about too. Why don't you get a stick there? Just stick batter. They're so freaking good. Afternoon. This bike's like a massage for your butt. You massage your butt with a 50 count. More like a meat tenderizer. This is definitely tender. Oh look, cookie cutters. Damn, proud too. Holy shit. Like some of these houses are beautiful. They're old, they're kind of rustic. They still hold their value so strong. And you have these new houses like, hey, cardboard box and fancy windows. Tell me I'm wrong. Architects, tell me I'm wrong. Modern Florida houses are not built to last. They're built to die in a hurricane so you can buy another. Oh my god, that's a Porsche. Oh, Porsche on the road. Why did I cop it? I drive a Porsche. Ride in a Porsche. Why am I complaining? Why am I so excited? It's an old Porsche too. It's like early 2000s. Please, nobody mow me down. I like living most of the time. This is one of those times I like living. Oh, on time. How long have I been doing? 28 minutes. Holy shit. I will make another part of this.